I'm Ivan Trachta, and I'm a business manager of AV Integra, a Linkdorf distributor for Czech Republic and Slovakia. I saw it first time in Barcelona at ISC this year, and I was surprised, but positively surprised, because there's many soundbars on the market, even very good sounding, but not a soundbar in this, let's say, class or this category. So very positively surprised. And the sound is simply great. Great bass, great voice, great trebles. So absolutely amazing. I think expectable from Steinway and Linkdorf. From my perspective, it can easily fit into the modern living rooms and even the large ones. And I can imagine that this soundbar can also easily fit into the media rooms where big home cinema is, and there is a screen, projector, not only TV.